Well, President Trump called for unity while addressing the nation from the Oval Office on his administration's new steps to try and control a coronavirus outbreak in the U.S.
The death toll in the U.S. climbed to at least 38 people, with more than 1,200 cases spread across the country.
Deborah Alfarone is at the White House with more.
President Donald Trump announced a 30-day suspension of travel from Europe to begin Friday at midnight, with an exception for the United Kingdom.
And taking early, intense action, we have seen dramatically fewer cases of the virus in the United States than are now present in Europe.
The president also asked Congress for an additional $50 billion in funding for small business loans and says he will call on the IRS to delay the April 15th tax deadline for certain businesses and individuals.
I will always put the well-being of America first.
Stocks plummeted after the World Health Organization changed its assessment of the outbreak.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
At a hearing on Capitol Hill, the nation's top expert on infectious diseases issued a dire warning to lawmakers.
We will see more cases and things will get worse than they are right now.
Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi have been meeting in person and over the phone to try and find some common ground over a coronavirus stimulus package. House Democrats say they have legislation that will call for free testing, paid sick leave, expanded unemployment insurance, and SNAP increases. They plan to bring it to a vote Thursday.
This is fundamentally what the American people need, and it's fundamentally what the American economy needs.
The Capitol is expected to cancel all public tours. The NCAA says it'll allow only essential staff and limited family members for tournament games, while the NBA has suspended its season until further notice. Deborah Alfarone, CBS News, the White House.
Temporary ban on travel from Europe will not apply to U.S. citizens who undergo appropriate screenings.